Greetings fellow knowledge seekers, to Universal Acumen, your one-stop destination for learning about anything and everything under the sun. I'm thrilled to introduce you to the very first video of our channel, Universal Acumen. Here, we believe that knowledge should be accessible to everyone, no matter where you are or your interests. From the complexities of politics to the intricacies of engineering, from ancient history to cutting-edge science, Universal Acumen is here to quench your thirst for knowledge. Why spend hours searching all over the internet and YouTube when you can find everything you need right here? Our mission is to bring you comprehensive, easy-to-understand content on a wide range of topics, all in one place. We'll be featuring experts from different domains, breaking down complex subjects into bite-sized, digestible pieces. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just a curious mind, Universal Acumen is the perfect place for you to expand your horizons. And the best part? You can request topics you'd like to learn about, and we'll cover them in future videos. Let's dive in. Why do knowledge and perspective matter to your journey to endless knowledge? It aids in the understanding of the world around us and helps cultivate a broad perspective. Knowledge is more than just information. It's the foundation of our understanding, the key to unlocking new opportunities, and the bridge that connects us to different cultures and ideas. Having a well-rounded understanding of various subjects helps us make informed decisions, solve problems creatively, and communicate effectively. It empowers us to navigate the complexities of life with confidence. Experts agree that a broad perspective enhances critical thinking and fosters empathy. It allows us to see the bigger picture and appreciate the interconnectedness of our world. At Universal Acumen, we believe that learning should be a lifelong journey. By exploring diverse topics, we enrich our minds and open our hearts to new experiences and viewpoints. Understanding history helps us learn from the past. Embracing science drives innovation. Appreciating culture fosters unity. Every piece of knowledge adds to the tapestry of our lives. So, why is it important to have a great perspective of the world and the knowledge that encompasses it? Because it shapes who we are and who we can become. It equips us to contribute meaningfully to society and to lead fulfilling lives. Thank you for joining our community of learners and explorers on this enlightening journey. Remember, at Universal Acumen, we're here to help you learn anything, anytime. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. Join and subscribe to Universal Acumen, your one-stop destination for enlightenment. Learn anything, anytime.